Okay, just a short video to show you my DJI F450 flame wheel. Pretty much the flame wheel itself is standard rotors and motors and standard speed controllers. On the back here I have mounted my receiver, which I bought because I've already got a radio, so bought an extra one. I've got one on my Razor 500 over there, so I bought another one, stuck it on the back and bound the two together. On the front mounted my gimbal with camera. Gimbal and the camera both from Hobby King, and I have to say pretty good. The only thing I've changed on this is the top plate. Taken the top plate off and made another one, made it a bit longer, because what I found in my previous video was that the camera was picking up the rotors in the picture, so by moving this forward eliminated seeing the rotors in the picture. The only other thing I've done as well is getting a bit of Jello on the image from the camera, so putting these ties around, squashing this down has eliminated the Jello, so that's pretty good, quite successful. It's bolted onto the front there. If we turn it round, on the back I've got a video transmitter which is wired through and wired onto the camera. Now I took the outer sheath off this cable here because I found it was too stiff and it was interfering with the movement of the gimbal, so by taking the sheathing off, leaving just the two wires, one is obviously ground, the other is for the image itself, getting plenty of movement, which is solved the issue. Very good, that's alright. Inside there we got the Naza with the GPS on the top. Okay, also I've mounted the small battery here. It's a 500 size battery, and that powers the video transmitter and also the gimbal. I get approximately 3 to 4 flights out of this. It's used these two items use very little power, so I'm getting about 3 to 4 flights out of that. The battery on the top, I've got 3 of these. They are 3200 size, 3S, and with a 30C discharge, 11.1 volt batteries on the top. Okay, if I just power up the gimbal here, let's get that high around, and it goes, keep it very still. The gimbal now has found itself centered up, and just by moving you can see that it's working fine. Okay, right, I shall now go for a quick flight now, just to show you how steady the image is. Now I've put the ties around to get rid of the Jello, and how good the gimbal actually is. So let's go for a flight.